Find Globe blog.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and never miss out their future updates. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Find Globe blog.
Lasers have fascinated people for years. They bring to mind both science fiction and science fact, making them a lot of fun to play with. Low-powered laser pointers are commonplace as classroom tools or pet toys, but if you get the right diode you can construct and focus a laser that is powerful enough to burn through objects or set them on fire. That said, such a laser can be dangerous and should not be taken lightly. Part 1. Obtaining a diode. 1. Select a diode strength and color. The strength of a diode will be listed in microwatts. The color of the diode will be determined by its wavelength. A wavelength of 650 nanometers corresponds to a red laser, a wavelength of 405 nanometers corresponds to a blue laser, and a green laser has a wavelength around 520 nanometers. Green lasers are the most expensive, followed by blue. Red is the cheapest. You can buy diodes online and sometimes at electronic supply stores. The diode costs can range anywhere from tens to thousands of dollars, depending on the laser you choose. 2. Take apart an old DVD or Blu-ray disc burner. If you aren't picky about the color, you can take apart an old DVD or Blu-ray disc burner. There will be two diodes. Find the diode on the disc burning side. The one on the disc heating side is not strong enough to produce a burning laser. The diode will look like a small round light. It is likely encased in metal and will be positioned so that it can shine on the bottom of the DVD, Blu-ray tray. 3. Salvage the diode from the disc burner. Once you have located the disc burning diode, remove it from the DVD burner. You may have to remove small screws or cut the diode away from the rest of the burner. It is possible that the diode is encased in a metal casing. If this is the case, the casing can be left on the diode after you remove it. Part 2. Constructing the laser. 1. Connect the diode to a laser driver. The laser driver is the electrical component that controls the functioning of the laser. The diode will likely need soldered to the laser driver. There should be two leads coming from the diode for this purpose. Use a soldering gun to solder the leads to the driver at the positive and negative terminals. These terminals should be labeled on the driver and extend to the edge of the driver for soldering purposes. The driver should not be connected to any power source until soldering is complete. 2. Power the laser with batteries. After the diode has been connected to the driver, you can connect the driver to a power source. Batteries are the go-to choice since they make your laser portable. You will need at least AA batteries to produce a burning laser. The driver will have leads for a power supply. These leads will need to be connected to a battery pack or directly to the battery. If the leads need soldered, you will have to use a battery pack. You cannot solder onto a battery. 3. Encase the laser. You can buy a laser casing online to house the parts of your laser. Alternatively, you can make a laser casing from things lying around your house. Popular items used to make casings include Alto's mint cans, Bic lighters, and the casings of weaker laser pointers. Part 3. Focusing the laser. 1. Obtain a laser lens. A laser lens is needed to condense the light from a wide pattern to a thin beam. This concentrates the energy of your laser. This concentrated beam is what allows you to burn things with your laser. Glass lenses are better than plastic lenses, but they are more expensive. 2. Concentrate the beam. Adjust the lens to concentrate the beam when you are using the laser. This will make the beam powerful enough to burn through some materials and ignite matches or paper. Be very careful when using this laser. Do not point it at anyone or anything that does not belong to you. The laser is very dangerous when focused. It is a crime to point the laser at aircraft and motor vehicles. 3. Widen the beam when you are finished. Adjust the beam so that the laser is spread out. This will make the laser less powerful when hitting any one spot. This is the safest way to store the laser in case it accidentally gets turned on. Keep in mind that the laser can still be dangerous, however. It should never be within reach of children. Warnings. Wear eye protection. Do not point or shoot your laser at anyone. It is a crime.
Find Globe blog.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and never miss out their future updates. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Find Globe blog.